Abel's flash point and fire point experiment. So this in this Abel's flash point and fire point experiment, what we will be doing? We will be calculating the flash point and fire point of a particular lubricant oil or a fuel. So for this purpose, in this Abel's apparatus, you will be having a central cup which is nothing but brass cup. So this brass cup, what you will be doing? You will be taking the fuel or lubricant oil, and you will be having a surrounding cup. This is nothing but your surrounding cup. So in this surrounding cup, you will be filling with the water. And third thing is nothing but you will be having a thermometer. You will be having a thermometer, and this thermometer you will be placing in this particular hole to measure the temperature. Then this particular setup is placed over here. Then you will be here you will be having here, it is nothing but the heating coil. So using these four things, you will be calculating the flash point and fire point of a fuel or lubricant. These are the four things you will be knowing about this particular apparatus. And in addition, here in this particular center cup, you will be having a stirrer type. This stirrer is nothing but while heat is supplied, it will be stirring the lubricant oil for uniform supply of the heat. So these things we need to remember about this particular apparatus while performing the experiment. Okay. कोद्या पोषणटी ऐसा पकड़ो खाली पकड़ो थोड़ा पोषणटी ऐसा అది వీడియో వస్తుందా ఓకే so now in this thermometer, first of all we will be seeing the initial temperature. Initial temperature is nothing but the ambient temperature of the fluid. It is somewhere around 28 degrees centigrade. 28 degrees centigrade. Now so first of all, what you will be doing, you will be noting the initial temperature of the particular fuel or lubricant oil. Initial temperature is nothing but ambient temperature. So this ambient temperature is nothing but somewhere around 28 degrees centigrade. So after noting those particular 28 degrees centigrade, we will be placing this particular thermometer in the lubricant oil. So while we are supplying this particular heat to the fuel or lubricant oil, what we will be doing, the temperature of the fuel is raised. So the rise in temperature of the fuel we can note from this thermometer reading. The rise in temperature of the fluid can be noted from the thermometer reading. And while supplying the heat, we will be stirring this particular stirrer. So it will be mixing the lubricant oil and uniform supply of heat will be taking place. So these two things, while supplying the heat, we will be noting down the temperature, and at the same time we will be stirring these things, noting down this particular temperature, and we will be stirring these two things. So while performing the experiment, and we will be supplying this particular heat till some amount of fumes are generated, fumes or vapors. So that fumes or vapors are nothing but the flash point of the fuel. First of all, we will be heating till some fumes, and we will be continuously keeping an observation on it. And some fumes or vapors will be generated at this particular point. Some fumes or vapors will be generated, and at that point where fumes or vapors are generated is nothing but your flash point, and that temperature is nothing but we will be obtaining from this thermometer, and you will be noting that particular flash point temperature where the fumes or vapors are generated. And from the flash point, what you will be doing, you will be increasing the supply of heat, and you will be heating the fuel for some more time. And as the some more time it is heated, the heat supplied to the fuel also is increased, and the temperature of the fuel is also increased. Now from flash point we are supplying the heat, and from the flash point we are supplying the heat, and the temperature of the fuel is also increased. So at a particular point, after reaching a certain temperature, then we will be keeping the matchstick, and we will be finding out those temperature, that is nothing but the fire point, and it is again noted in the thermometer. Is it clear?